Hey, welcome to another episode of Financial Theory. Let's talk today about the stock market. Now, for the last month, if you've been in the stock market, I think you've been smiling like I have. Now, just a few weeks ago, I posted this video saying I wasn't worried at all that my portfolio dropped by minus $43,000. But am I worried about my whole portfolio dropping $43,000? No, not really, because all of the financials, all of the fundamentals of all the companies I've selected, they're all rock solid. Because I know that later in the year, or could be next year or whenever, when it goes back up, it will be a very violent exponential burst upward. The stock market can change within the blink of an eye. And I couldn't believe that just after a few weeks I said that, the stock market rallied and did exactly that. So the stock market has been very green in April 2026 so far. So as you can see here, I'm just showing you the screenshots here. So if we're excluding April 2026, the previous 5 months, my portfolio was getting absolutely decimated. It went down by about $43,000, as you can see here. But look at this. In April 2026, my portfolio skyrocketed back up by $54,000. That's insane. Like, what a recovery. My portfolio was absolutely getting smashed for 5 months straight and things were looking pretty grim. But like I said before in the previous video, I said that the stock market can be highly volatile, and I expected my stocks to skyrocket upward very violently, and that's exactly what happened. You're probably asking, how did I know that was going to happen? This is what happens when you've put in 11 months of research into the stocks that you've purchased. Put it this way, you're only scared of something that you do not understand. And if you put in the time to understand the stock market and understand the stocks that you are purchasing, there is absolutely nothing to be afraid of. People are only scared of things they do not understand. That's why a month ago, when everyone was pulling out their money from all these tech stocks and all the tech stocks were crashing, I was looking around going, what the hell is wrong with these idiots? Like, they're just pulling out all their money for no reason. These are the world's best companies: Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Meta, all these guys. They're the best of the best. And these people were just pulling out their money out of these stocks for no reason. So I knew that there was nothing wrong. It was just people were just being scared. And now look at all these investors. They're trying to get back into these stocks. Incredible comeback by the stock market. Now I will show you my portfolio in the next video. I've got something planned for the next video, so I'll leave it for that next video. So I'm just making this video to document my journey as a stock investor in the last 11 months. I've been on an incredible roller coaster in the last months. This is not like investing in real estate. I've got a few rental properties, and usually with real estate, you buy it and then you forget about it. You forget you even have it. But with stocks, because stocks are so much more volatile than real estate, it's a massive emotional ride up and down. The last 11 months has been an incredible journey and an incredible learning opportunity as well, which is something that I've put an insane amount of time into researching stocks and understanding the stock market. And that's why I have no fear. I have 100% conviction in my stocks. And that's another point I wanted to make as well. Warren Buffett has said many times that diversification is only useful to protect you from ignorance. So when you don't understand anything and you don't want to learn anything about the stock market, that's fine. Diversify your portfolio. It will protect you from losing all your money. But when you put in the time to research every single stock that you're going to buy, and you've done your research, you know exactly what you're buying, there's absolutely no reason for you to diversify. If you know that a company is an amazing company, you should put everything you got into that company. Why would you want to have a concentrated portfolio instead of a diversified portfolio? Here's the thing with the super investors, the guys that invest billions of dollars into the stock market, they have concentrated portfolios is because that increases their returns. If you have a diversified portfolio, it protects you from losing money, yes, but it also limits your upside as well. But when you have a highly concentrated portfolio into high quality companies, if these companies do really well, your returns are going to be astronomical. And that's the difference between a super investor and a normal investor that doesn't really understand how the market works. And that's the one thing I've actually noticed about these super investors, and that's why my portfolio is heavily concentrated in AI and tech, because I see that AI and technology, it's the future. There's no way around it. AI is here to stay, and it's only going to get bigger. And obviously, if it gets bigger, my portfolio is going to get bigger as well. And that's why I'm going as heavy as I can into AI and tech stocks. So yeah, that's what's happened in the last 11 months. I put in about $353,000 of my own money into the stock market. Currently, my portfolio is sitting around $387,000, up about $34,000 or so. So just keep in mind that these are paper gains. I haven't realized any of these gains yet. It's not real money, I guess you can say. It's a paper win at the moment. But yeah, I hope that every other stock investor is smiling like I am in the last month. I'm not sure how long this rally can go for. Like, no one knows. The stock market is highly unpredictable. I will review my portfolio to see if there's any positions I need to trim as well. As for now, that's the update on my portfolio at the moment. It's been an insane ride the last 11 months, and I've really enjoyed every step of the way in learning about the stock market. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, all that sort of stuff. I will catch you guys in the next video. See ya.